broken zips nightmare. I'm going to show you how to really quickly repair a broken zip without a sewing machine. Here you go. Let's fix this separated zipper. Okay, grab the skirt, and first of all you want to remove any stitches in the road of that stopper. I used a pair of pliers to help me remove the stopper. Now grab the tab and take it apart. You want to reinsert it into the tape. This is a bit footery, so give it a wee bit of time. And then you want to test your zip and make sure it goes up fully. Yes, nice and neat. All that's left to do is to recreate that stopper at the end. I've done it with thread, and hey presto, job done. I'm Angeline Murphy. Follow me for more sewing and repair tips that anyone can do.